Here's an extensive look into 15 strange and fascinating facts about animals, compiled into an engaging narrative. These facts will explore the unusual and extraordinary qualities that different species possess, revealing the wonders of the animal kingdom. 1. Tardigrades. The most resilient creatures on Earth. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that are almost indestructible. These hardy animals can survive extreme conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. They can endure temperatures from nearly absolute zero to over 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Tardigrades can also survive the vacuum of space, intense radiation, and high pressures, making them the ultimate survivors. They do this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they dry out completely and essentially shut down their metabolism, only to come back to life when conditions improve. 2. Male seahorses give birth in a twist of nature's typical reproductive roles. It's the male seahorses that carry and give birth to the offspring. During mating, the female seahorse deposits her eggs into the male's brood pouch, where he fertilizes them. He then carries the eggs for weeks until they hatch, after which the male seahorse gives birth to tiny, fully formed seahorses. This role reversal makes seahorses unique among animals, as it is the male who experiences the physical burden of pregnancy. 3. Elephants can hear through their feet. Elephants have an extraordinary sense of hearing, but it goes beyond their ears. They can detect low-frequency sounds, such as the rumblings of distant thunder or other elephants communicating over long distances, through vibrations that travel through the ground. Their sensitive feet are equipped with receptors that can pick up these vibrations, allowing them to hear through the ground, even from miles away. 4. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are among the most intelligent of invertebrates, but their biology is equally bizarre. They have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. What's more, their blood is blue, not red, because it contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. Hemocyanin is more efficient in cold and low oxygen environments, which is why it's suited for the octopus's deep-sea life. 5. The immortal jellyfish. The Octopuses dorni, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has a truly mind-boggling ability. When faced with environmental stress or physical injury, it can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of development, essentially transforming itself into a polyp, its earliest life stage, and starting its life cycle over again. This process, called transdifferentiation, theoretically allows the jellyfish to live indefinitely, making it biologically immortal. 6. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Kangaroos are iconic symbols of Australia, but they also have some peculiar traits. One of the most surprising is that kangaroos cannot walk backward. This limitation is due to the structure of their large, muscular tails and long hind legs, which are designed for forward motion and jumping. Their inability to move in reverse has made them an emblem of progress and forward thinking in Australian culture. 7. Crows can use tools and understand water displacement. Crows are not only smart but also capable of using tools. In fact, some species of crows are known to create and use tools to obtain food. For instance, the New Caledonian crow has been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Crows also have an understanding of water displacement. In an experiment based on Aesop's fable, crows were shown to drop stones into a tube of water to raise the water level and reach a piece of food floating on top. This suggests a level of problem solving and abstract reasoning that was once thought to be reserved only for humans. 8. Narwhals have unicorn horns, but they're actually teeth. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea, has a long, spiraling tooth that protrudes from its head, leading to its mythical association. However, this horn is not a horn at all. It's actually an elongated tooth that can grow up to 10 feet long. Interestingly, only male narwhals usually have this feature, and it's thought to be a sign of dominance or a tool for attracting mates. The tooth also has sensory capabilities, with thousands of nerve endings that allow the narwhal to sense its surroundings. 9. Sloths only poop once a week. Sloths are known for their leisurely lifestyle, and that includes their digestive habits. They have an extremely slow metabolism and only defecate once a week. This slow digestion is due to their low-energy diet, consisting mainly of leaves, which take a long time to break down. When sloths do need to go, they leave their treetop homes and descend to the forest floor, a dangerous journey that makes them vulnerable to predators like jaguars and eagles. 10. Sharks can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic pool. Sharks have an incredibly keen sense of smell. They can detect blood in the water from miles away. In fact, it is estimated that sharks can smell just one drop of blood in an area equivalent to the size of an Olympic swimming pool. Their heightened olfactory senses are one of the key reasons they are such successful predators in the ocean. They can track injured prey by following the scent trail left in the water. 11. The aye's creepy way of finding food. The aye is a lemur native to Madagascar, and it is often considered one of the creepiest animals in the world due to its eerie appearance and unique feeding method. The aye uses its long, thin middle finger to tap on tree trunks and listen for the sound of hollow cavities where insects may be hiding. Once it detects a potential prey item, it uses the finger to pull it out of the tree bark. This bizarre behavior has led to the aye being misunderstood and often associated with bad omens in local folklore. 12. The platypus lays eggs and produces milk. The platypus is one of only a few mammals that lay eggs, making it one of the most unusual creatures in the world. Despite being a mammal, it is not born live but from eggs laid by the mother. When the babies hatch, they are fed milk, but unlike other mammals, the platypus doesn't have teats. Instead, the milk is secreted through the skin and absorbed through the young's fur. Additionally, males have venomous spurs on their hind legs, making the platypus a truly remarkable mix of mammalian traits. 13. The peafowl's feathers are actually a form of optical illusion. The vibrant and elaborate tail feathers of the male peacock are not just for show. They are an optical illusion designed to impress potential mates. When the peacock fans its tail, the eyes of the feathers appear to change size and color depending on the angle at which they are viewed, creating a dazzling, shimmering effect. This visual trickery is a key part of the peacock's courtship ritual and plays a major role in attracting females. 14. Wolves have a complex social structure and a hierarchical pack system. Wolves are known for their complex social structure, with a clear hierarchy within their packs. The alpha wolf is the leader, but there is more to the pack's organization than just dominance. Research has shown that wolves form close bonds with other members of their pack, often working together in highly organized ways to hunt and protect one another. These social connections are vital for the survival of the pack, and wolves demonstrate strong cooperation and loyalty. 15. The axolotl can regrow its limbs, and more. The axolotl, a type of salamander native to Mexico, is famous for its remarkable regenerative abilities. This creature can regrow not only its limbs but also its spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. This extraordinary regenerative ability has captured the attention of scientists, who study the axolotl's biology in hopes of unlocking the secrets of regeneration for human medicine. The axolotl's ability to heal and regrow tissues without scar formation is a marvel of nature. Conclusion: these strange and incredible facts about animals offer a glimpse into the vast, mysterious world of nature. From creatures like the tardigrade that can survive in space to the axolotl with its regenerative powers, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Every day, researchers uncover more about these fascinating beings, shedding light on the complexity and wonder of life on Earth. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is to discover in the animal world.